I am Kanishigan from grade 4. Today I am going to identify all the 195 flags. Afghanistan, Albania, Algeria, Andorra, Angola, Antigua and Barbuda, Argentina, Armenia, Australia, Austria, Azerbaijan, the Bahamas, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Barbados, Belarus, Belgium, Belize, Benin, Bhutan, Bolivia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Botswana, Brazil, Brunei, Bulgaria, Burkina Faso, Burundi, Cote d'Ivoire, Cape Verde, Cambodia, Cameroon, Canada, Central African Republic, Chad, Chile, China, Colombia, Comoros, Democratic Republic of Congo, Costa Rica, Croatia, Cuba, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Denmark, Djibouti, Dominica, Dominican Republic, North Korea, Democratic Republic of Congo, Ecuador, Egypt, El Salvador, Equatorial Guinea, Eritrea, Estonia, Swaziland, Ethiopia, Fiji, Finland, France, Gabon, the Gambia, the Georgia, Germany, Ghana, Greece, Grenada, Guatemala, Guinea-Bissau, Guyana, Haiti, Vatican City, Honduras, Italy, Iceland, India, Indonesia, Iran, Iraq, Ireland, Israel, Italy, Jamaica, Japan, Jordan, Kazakhstan, Kenya, Kiribati, Kuwait, Kyrgyzstan, Laos, Latvia, Lebanon, Lesotho, Liberia, Libya, Liechtenstein, Timor-Leste, Luxembourg, Madagascar, Rwanda, Malaysia, Maldives, Mali, Latvia, Marshall Island, Mauritania, Mauritius, Mexico, Federated States of Micronesia, Moldova, Monaco, Mongolia, Macedonia, Morocco, Mozambique, Myanmar, Burma, Namibia, Nauru, Nepal, Paraguay, New Zealand, Nicaragua, Niger, Nigeria, Macedonia, Norway, Oman, Pakistan, Palau, Panama, Papua New Guinea, Paraguay, Peru, Philippines, Poland, Portugal, Qatar, Romania, Russia, Rwanda, Saint Kitts and Nevis, Saint Lucia, Somos, San Marino, Sao Tome and Principe, Saudi Arabia, Senegal, Serbia, Celsius, Sierra Leone, Tuvalu, UAE, UK, USA, Uganda, Ukraine, Uruguay, Uzbekistan, Vanuatu, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Vietnam, Tunisia, Peru, Somaliland, Venezuela, Yemen, Republic of Congo, Turkey. Thank you.